you imagine how vast and beautiful the United States is, it fills you with a sense of awe. Today, we will travel across forests, mountains, deserts, and plains to see what's out there. As we travel north, we find the northwestern forested mountains, which span from Alaska into California and Nevada. The alpine tundra peaks rise above a landscape of rich evergreen forests and sagebrush grasslands. Rivers trail through the region, such as the Columbia and Fraser. Diverse plants such as grand firs, trembling aspen, and western red cedars grow in multitudes. You may be lucky to see an elk, moose, or a grizzly bear when hiking through the illustrious mountains of the north. As we cross over to Pennsylvania, we find the northern forests. Featuring stunning boreal forests and shimmering lakes, this is a hub for forestry, mining, and commercial fishing. The Precambrian granitic bedrock of the Canadian Shield is among the oldest on Earth, formed 3 million years ago. Long winters and short summers make it a perfect place for jack pine, black spruce, and balsam fir to thrive. A wide range of animals find their home here, which include woodland caribou, martens, lynx, bobcat, and eastern chipmunk. Great winged friends soar through the sky, such as the great horned owl, blue jay, and evening grosbeak. Eastern temperate forests boast a large population of our country, with a humid climate and the ancient Appalachian Mountains. Many glacial occurrences formed the famous Great Lakes, which provide a respite for people and animals alike. Perennial streams and wetland areas dot the landscape. These warm, temperate forests are home to deciduous trees, such as oaks, maples, pines. Diverse species of trees, like black cherry, elm, and dogwood, are found amongst many others. It's common to find white-tailed deer and striped skunks wandering the forests, along with many birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians. Bald eagles are a cornerstone of these lands, representing the beauty and freedom of America. Visiting the vast Great Plains is the next stop on our journey. Home to prairies and grasslands, this semi-arid climate hosts wide views of the flatlands. Cenozoic sedimentary rocks are found near Mexico, where continental deposits occur. Many grasses root themselves in the dry earth, such as speargrass and wild barley. The wheat belt hosts corn and soy, where in drier areas you may find yellow cactus and prickly pear. The Great Plains prairie wetlands serve as important breeding and nesting grounds along the Central Flyway. Before European settlement, these grasslands were once home to vast herds of bison, pronghorn, elk, mule deer, grizzly bears, and gray wolves. Continuing west, we find the southern semi-arid highlands. This region crosses through Arizona and New Mexico. Rolling hills and valleys characterize this grassy landscape. Alluvial sediments and conglomerates from the volcanic Sierras create shallow, dry soils. Vegetation is sparse, with mostly species of grasses like galeta and thrion. Mesquite, oak, and western juniper are found at the foot of the Sierras. Wildlife includes coyotes, gray foxes, and more. Flying through the skies are birds such as doves, quails, and pigeons. The landscape of the North American desert is sparsely populated, aside from hotspots such as Las Vegas. Mountains, hills, plains, and tablelands comprise the rolling topography. Death Valley is found in the lowest basin, where many dry lake beds and playas create a rugged landscape. Temperatures range from 120 degrees during the day to 40 at night. Creosote bush is common in the Mojave Desert, along with the distinctive Joshua tree. The Sonoran Desert has greater diversity in its vegetation, with Palo Verde cactus, saguaro, cholla, and agave. feral burros and wild horses also roam parts of the desert. More commonly, you'll find jackrabbits, ground squirrels, mice, and bats. Up above, you might see golden eagles. Stretching from Alaska to northern California, the marine West Coast forests are among the wettest regions in North America. This landscape is defined by rugged mountains, deep fjords, glacial valleys, and lush coastal forests. Ancient stands of western red cedar, western hemlock, Douglas fir, Sitka spruce, and California redwoods dominate the lowlands, while higher elevations transition into subalpine forests and alpine tundra. The region is home to black-tailed deer, elk, black and grizzly bears, wolves, otters, and raccoons. Its forests and coastlines also support a rich diversity of birds, including Steller's jays, puffins, moors, cormorants, and marbled murrelets. Offshore waters are inhabited by whales, dolphins, sea lions, seals, and the salmon that sustain many of these ecosystems. Our last ecological region is the sunny Mediterranean. In the north, you find Oregon, adjacent to the Pacific Ocean on the west, with the Sierra Nevada and the deserts to the east. This warm and mild climate is welcome to many mountains, hills, tablelands, and plains. Tectonic activity is common here as the North American and Pacific plates meet. Due to dry summers, species such as buckbrush and manzanita grow here. A mosaic of grassland, broadleaf, and coniferous forests cover the landscape. Monterey pines and California walnut are some common tree species you might find. Endangered species include the blunt-nosed leopard lizard, kangaroo rats, the green sea turtle, and the southern sea otter. Conservation efforts are critical to help increase these animal populations. After traveling across America's forests, mountains, deserts, grasslands, and coastlines, we can truly appreciate the incredible diversity of life that shapes our country. From ancient forests and mountain peaks to vast prairies and deserts, every ecological region tells a unique story written by time and the unique species that call these places home. These landscapes are more than just beautiful scenery. They are living ecosystems that support the delicate balance of life. As we move forward, it is our responsibility to understand, appreciate, and protect these remarkable environments for generations to come. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and be sure to like and subscribe for more nature videos.